Hey, what's up? This is Dave. I'm up here on top of the observation tower of Moors Knob. Hey, what's going on? We're here at Hanging Rock State Park. This is the visitor center. They currently have the lake parking lot closed, so we're going to walk down a different route en route to the Moors Knob and the tower. Hey, good afternoon, everybody. This is Dave. The rangers nicely dropped me off about a mile or so down the road up here to the backside of the tower trail, 1.2 miles up to it. Like I said, the lake parking lot's being resurfaced and is closed. We're next to the cabins right here on the backside of the lake. Let's tear it up. And up to the top. We've made it. Going up to the tower now. All right, we're gonna walk up this tower.
What did I say?
Yes, sir. Thank you too. And you can see what was inside. Nothing at the moment. And walking up to the top. There's Hanging Rock. Much lower. All right, we are at the pinnacle of the observation tower here at Moors Knob. This is going back east right here. Hanging Rock, 1.2 miles over there to that mountain top. Blues Lake is 15 miles that direction. And from the north side, a notable mountaintop is the Buffalo Mountain, 30 miles. You can see it right off there. We'll zoom in on that. "21 miles over that way, that's Bull Mountain and No Business Mountain. And Mayo River State Park is 17.3 miles in that direction. And to the west, notables here are Pilot Mountain, 11.4 miles, Sourtown Mountain, 5.3 miles. You can't see it with the haze, but Grandfather Mountain's 88 miles back there. And Mount Mitchell's actually right behind the Pilot Mountain summit right there, 122 miles away, 120 miles away. And to the south, you have High Point, 34 miles that way. Winston-Salem is 21 miles that direction. The Uwharrie Mountain's 70 miles. And Charlotte's 88 miles in that direction. Hey, what's going on? This is Dave with Excursion America. I'm here on the backside of Moore's Knob. We're facing west. Got Mount Mitchell and Grandfather Mountain behind me. Beautiful day. Pilot Mountain. Going back northwest, north, northeast. The tower's right back there through the clearing. And on the way down, we're gonna go check out Balanced Rock. Here we are at Balanced Rock. Okay, you're currently looking at Hanging Rock. And we'll go back in a northwest direction. Okay, it's 5:30. I hung out at top for a little while. I'm already back at the road. I'm gonna walk back to the main parking lot, head on home.